All right, out the gate, seeing a seller at the 42.35s. I don't know what it will do from it. I mean, market structure, I would want a little more context from it as we're still, inside of pre-market range. But this is some good context because last week I did see selling at this highs right here, and pretty much all rallies above it did fail. And we're seeing that right at the open, right at the first minute, we're seeing that over there, and we're rejecting pretty hard. So this is some nice solid context. I mean, adapting to this possible plan, now if we do remain below it, I could look to target the 25s, as that is directly happening at the on the 35s. Pretty much very interesting action at the first minute, very interesting open. There's a seller over there. Tesla is weak, and NQ is rejecting the lower portion of the range, a very important level over there. But we're gonna have some context. We're not gonna, rush for a setup. I mean, look at this open. It's very interesting. Now the 30s. We'll see. We'll see what the market gives us, the type of clues that we're gonna give us. But look at this, 5-point range on these two sellers, possible sell, or at least we don't know if they're sellers yet or their absorption. If we remain below this, I would say this is a seller, as we're pretty much after that sold off over there, So that is very interesting. And solely because I see this, I'm not gonna take a trading decision off of, especially inside pre-market range. But it is some piece of context that I do like. Some absorption, someone hit, or multiple people hit the bid at the 30s and the 35s. A little too obvious, it's a little too perfect, for example. Hence why I'm paying a close attention to it, and I want to see what the reaction is after it. Couple things from the auction. We simply sold off directly with some strong selling. Couple things. We did break now pre-market low, right, into this demand. And also one of the things, if I'm a buyer in this, for example, now that line of least resistance is up, VIX has not broken the highs, even the session highs, nothing, as you can see right here. Whereas ES just did, and also NQ did. We do have a weak market. Look at Apple, Tesla, and NQ dragging this down. But for a possible scalp, as you can see right here, possible scalp, right, after breaking these lows, it could be a possible setup. Now that line of least resistance is up. I mean, look at it. Pretty low volume area that we could rally and reclaim, just as we're doing right now. Let's see if this follows suit over there. I could have stop loss below those 18s. Possible scalp. That's the context for the reversal. I would need to see strong at offer trades, where I would target those 30s. VIX now slipping in a little bit. Let's see right here. Let's see if this pullback does hold or we continue lower. But risk would be at this, as of now, it would be right here. Strong buying. All right. Let's see if this follows suit now. I'm targeting the 30s. That scalp needs to work out immediately. I'm in at the 22s. I'm going to be targeting the 40s. Stop loss is right here lower at the 18s. Line of least resistance is up. When I target the 30s, kind of like that range where we sold off from over there. NQ also rallying. Look at that buying. Quick scalp over there. Quick scalp. I'm going to target the 30s. I'm going to be targeting the 30s over there. Let's see. This is a risk off trade, meaning if we do come into my entry, I will sell over there because it needs to work out right away, and especially in this very weak market. It's a quick scalp that I'm just asking for a quick 8 points. That's all. Quick 8 points right here. If this comes into my entry, this is invalid to me due to seeing this strong buying over there. Now 3 points from target, 3 points from target, possible scalp, 3 points from target. Don't want to see this slipping in. All right. Good trade over there. Came into my target. Very nice. Very nice context over there that we broke pre-market low. Saw the bind, saw the pullback. I just exited out of that position over there. Line of least resistance was up. And next level of interest for me was this seller right here. So seeing that discrepancy on the VIX, and especially this weak market right here, made me this possible scalp that I just exited from it. So very good scalp right here.